How to wireless charger your iPhone using Galaxy on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. So after click on device care, so you will see first option is battery, so click on battery. So after click on battery, scroll down and click on wireless power sharing. So after click on wireless power sharing, so first of all turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see and show your iPhone, and after showing iPhone you will see your charging is start. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can wireless charging your iPhone using Galaxy on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.